Wondering what home inspectors look for when checking out a house that you're about to buy? In this video, we want to walk you through what normally goes on at a typical home inspection. A home inspection is a non-invasive visual assessment of the home, reporting its current condition on the day of the inspection. Some people may think that inspections are all the same, but there are key things a professional home inspector will check up on, so you won't have to worry about costly repairs down the road. Water damage. Water damage is one of the things that home inspectors specifically check for. Water damage can be caused by several things, from a roof leak to faulty plumbing. If it's not fixed quickly, it can lead to bigger and more expensive problems down the road. Foundation issues. When buying a home, it is important to know what to look for. One of the most important things to inspect is the foundation. Foundation issues can be expensive to fix, pose a safety risk, and can decrease the value of your home. Roof damage. Homebuyers need to be aware of the signs of roof damage, so repairs can be scheduled before it becomes a bigger issue. A home inspector will look for any evidence of roof damage, such as leaks, damaged shingles or tiles, water stains on ceilings or walls, and moss or algae growth, among others. Even if your current home doesn't need repairs, it's still a good idea to get an annual checkup from a qualified roofing professional. Prevention is always key when it comes to these types of issues. Make sure you hire a qualified home inspector to look at these key aspects, and be sure to get them repaired before buying the home. This will help give you peace of mind and avoid costly repairs in the future.